Window has mind of its own, plays hard to get daily. Car keeps yelling stop like backseat driver on coffee. Customer begs, please tow me out, I am done with life choices. This white one. Customer asks why washer. Fluid tank never fills, infinity pool unlocked. Customer brags his car opens with a stick, caveman key achieved. Behold the magic stick. Wrong way, flip it like USB rule. Sesame open, says me. Car refuses to turn like steering wheel is on strike. Undercarriage plays free jazz mystery tour continues. Gearbox bolts loose, customer used fence wire as cast, modern art approved. Legendary MacGyver level unlocked. Customer arrives for spa day maintenance. Tech suggests fresh brake pads for safety happiness. Customer says every service creates new problems, conspiracy detected. Declines repair, drives off on metal prayer. Car often stalls like it is taking coffee breaks. Spark plugs enrolled in synchronized swimming classes. Nationwide mechanics currently hosting submarine car convention. Welcome back to favorite homemade Claymore mine episode. I rate this phone mount scarier than plastic bead shrapnel. Please smash like, subscribe, share, and tip your mechanic.